Hey there, fitness enthusiasts and desk warriors. Today's video is all about breaking the sedentary cycle and bringing some movement into your workday. We're diving into the top 5 best under-desk treadmills of 2024. If you've been dreaming of getting those steps in while answering emails or conquering spreadsheets, you're in the right place. Let's turn that workspace into a fitness space. Let's get started. Number 5 Lifespan TR1000 Glow Up Under-Desk Treadmill. While this under-desk treadmill is pricier than other options, it comes with an impressive list of features. This machine arrives fully assembled and has internal power cord storage to keep your workspace free of pesky chargers. Pros: higher weight limit, 250 pounds. Has wheels. Durable. Cons: no incline. 4 miles per hour max speed. Doesn't fold. Pricey. Another bonus, integrated safety technology that tracks your movement. In other words, the treadmill only operates if you're actively walking, while the quiet motor and impact-absorbing belt keep noise to a minimum. Plus, this treadmill offers a portable console that's small enough to fit on your desktop but allows you to control speed and provides a readout for steps, time, distance, calories and pace. Number 4 Walking Pad A1 Pro Treadmill. If saving space while storing is a must, Woo thinks this walking pad treadmill is worth the splurge. What sets this under-desk treadmill apart from the pack? For one, it has a seamless design and patented folding mechanism in the middle of the belt, enabling you to pack it down for easy storage. Pros: folds in the middle. Has wheels. Cons: lower weight limit, 220 pounds. 3.7 miles per hour speed limit. No incline. Track your time, speed, distance, steps and calories burned in the KS Fit app. And you can change your speed with the included remote or set the treadmill to a mode, which allows you to control the pace with your feet. Number 3 Sunny Health and Fitness Slim Under-Desk Tread Pad. Woo likes this option for small spaces, thanks to the thin, space-saving design that's free of handrails and a bulky console. You can change the speed with the included remote control and check your time, speed, calories, distance and steps on the display at the base of the machine. Pros: has wheels. Thin design. Pauses automatically. Lightweight. Cons: doesn't fold. 3.75 miles per hour max speed. No incline. Lower max weight, 220 pounds. This small under-desk treadmill also has safety technology that detects activity and automatically pauses after 5 seconds when not in use. Plus, power-saving tech puts the treadmill on sleep mode if it's idle for more than 10 minutes. At 55.1 pounds, this treadmill is also very lightweight, making it easy to pick up and roll away when needed. Plus, it arrives fully assembled. Number 2 Gopless 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. You'll get a lot of bang for your buck with this folding under-desk treadmill. This treadmill goes up to 7.5 miles per hour when you raise the handrail, so you can truly take a run, Woo says. The handrail also has a device holder, perfect for watching movies or taking a call while you exercise. Pros: folds and has wheels. Higher weight max, 265 pounds. 7.5 miles per hour max speed. Cons: no incline. Not as durable. You can check your time, speed, distance and calories burned using the LED display at the base of the machine. Or, monitor your progress and control the treadmill on the machine's smart app, which is free to download. It also has a compact, foldable design with built-in transport wheels, allowing easy movement and storage. Number 1 GOYOUTH 2-in-1 Under-Desk Treadmill. With a maximum speed of 6 miles per hour, you can walk and jog on this under-desk treadmill. And you can easily adjust your pace with the included remote control or choose from one of 12 preset programs designed to improve your cardio fitness. Pros: has wheels. 6 miles per hour speed limit. Cons: doesn't fold. No incline. Lower weight limit, 220 pounds. The LED display on the base of the treadmill shows your activity stats, including time, distance, speed, and calories burned. This is also one of the quietest underdesk treadmills, thanks to the silent motor and shock-absorbing, noise-reducing belt. You don't have to press pause during work calls. There you have it, folks, our top 5 best underdesk treadmills of 2024. Whether you're after stealth, space-saving solutions, customizable workouts, tech integration, or the ultimate desk-side companion, there's an underdesk treadmill on this list for you. If you're ready to take the first step towards a healthier workday, hit that subscribe button. Join our fitness-minded community, and let's walk, jog, or sprint our way to a more active and energetic lifestyle. Until next time, keep moving, keep grooving, and I'll catch you in the next video.